Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good afternoon. This video actually is to talk about how to create the associative relation. So here we can start with the documents. Then we can go and create a new diagram. That diagram should be ER diagram, ERD. So here we make it like we rename the diagram as student course. Okay. So here in this diagram we will take the example of student, course, and the relation between them. Okay, this one is the student entity. Here attribute ID unique, then another attribute name, another attribute like IC, and so on. Maybe date of birth here. Okay, so we have how many attributes here? We have four attributes for the student. Then for the class here we course okay, we add the attribute course ID unique, then course name, and maybe credit. Okay, so we have three attributes here for the course, and now we want to create the relation between them. So here we have to make connection between student and the relation, and another connection between the course and the relation. Then after that we go to this relation, we make it many to many. Okay, so here many courses can be taken by one student, and any course can be taken by also multiple students. Then every student can take many courses. Okay, so the relation here many to many. Then here we if let's say we want to add some what they call it, because the many to many requires always another table. It cannot be only directly between two tables. We should have an intermediate table at the middle to form the many to many relation. So in this case we will have to add some attributes for the relation. We click attribute here. So the first attribute is what? The first attribute is the ID, because every table must have an ID which must be unique. Then another thing, maybe start date, or maybe enroll date. Then we may add also another attribute, graduation, or maybe not graduation, maybe end date. And also we can add like the grade. Okay, so here we have this attributes belongs to the relation, and this relation, because it's a many to many relation, it must be represented by a table at the middle of the between the student and the course. So let us finish now and save here. Then we go back. So this is our diagram. We just go here and convert to relational schema. So here we make it student course 2, create and edit. Then here we are, we can see the three tables created. So the first table is student, ID, name, IC, and date of birth, and also the second table is the course, which includes the ID, name, and credit. Then we have the relationship table. So this one we can call it enrollments, and this one should be also plural. This one should be also plural. Okay, this also, the columns here should be modified. So the first column, this one connected to student, should carry the name student ID, and the other field should carry the name course ID. Okay, that's all. Just save. Now we easily go outside from here, and we can generate the SQL. And here we see we have 3 tables created. Then we have the relationship table, the associative relationship table here, which includes all tables and foreign keys and primary key, and everything is already automatically generated. So that's all about the associative relation. I hope it's clear, and see you later, inshallah. Thank you.